Yo, what's up, gaming flippers? It's your boy BMT2 here, and today, BLOX WATCH. It's all about BLOX WATCH. It's this group of hackers. I don't believe in it personally, but some YouTubers like Pope, Inquisitor Master, and Games Daily, like they're gonna get hacked apparently in December. So if I search up the BLOX WATCH in games, it won't come up. See? Like, I tried to get BLOX WATCH HQ, but it doesn't actually work. See, it's just got like this random stuff. And if you search BLOX WATCH with a capital I, it's really weird. So BLOX. Yeah. I'm gonna play this one. I don't know if it's screen is, but I'm gonna play through this one. It's really creepy. Exporting to BLOX WATCH. Let's get to it. This is good. There's nothing here. This is good. Wow. This actually could this is yes. Okay. So I'm trying to get them to the bottom of BLOX WATCH. I wonder if there's a way to stop me, and if the leader of BLOX WATCH is watching this video right now and they would like to contact me. My Roblox account has been TNT, just friend me, and we can contact. Okay guys, that's basically it for this video. Peace out.